So friends, now I am going to explain you about the keys. There are basically 6 keys. uh, Key 1, key 2 are the normal key, and there are 4 flex key: flex 1, flex 2, flex 3, flex 4. But why these keys are called flex key? Because this key has some unique features, means it can be assigned to ME bus as well as in aux bus also. So that's why it is called flex key. Flex means flexible or floating, whatever you can say. Uh, it can be assigned ME bus as well as in aux bus also. But this key, these two key 1 and key 2 can be only for, this key 2 are only for ME bus. But there is a selection option for these 4 keys can be assigned as per your choice in aux bus, or it be in ME bus. So how can you do that? Let's do it. Suppose I am here making a window in flex key. Suppose flex key 1. Okay, so double tap flex key 1. Flex key 1 menu will open. Insert source for making window, type full. Insert signal input 2. Done. Then go to the next position. Line DB should be on. Yes, line DB should be on. Now you can see multi-view monitor, but you cannot see flex key 1 in preview window because preview should be on. So in here, user button 1 is already assigned for flex key 1 preview. So have to press background along with this flex key 1 preview. Now you can see the flex key 1 window. I am changing the source here, so it will be easy to understand. What source? Okay, let it be black, so it will be visible nicely. Okay, so I have made a window in flex key 1, and now if I take the cut button, then it will go PGM. That means the flex key is working on ME bus, but I don't want that flex key work on ME bus. I want to assign it in aux bus, aux output, any aux. It may be any aux. So for that you have to go setup menu. Here you can see maybe system. Yes, from here key DB. You can see. Yes, you can see. Say keyer menu. Page down. Yes. In third page you can see flex key 1 is equal to ME bus, flex key 2 is equal to ME, flex key 3 is equal to ME, flex key 4 is equal to ME. But I want flex key 1 should work on aux, that it can be done from here, aux 1, aux 2, aux 3, anywhere you want. I am changing in aux 1. So flex key 1 will work on aux 1 bus, not in PGM bus. You can see in the multi-view monitor, aux window are gone, and you can see in key button that flex 1 button glowing green means it is not in ME bus. Green indicates that it is assigned in aux bus. So let's check aux out 1. So you can see in my multi-view monitor aux out 1. I hope so you can see that is the flex key 1 window. I am changing the sources so it will be easy to understand. Got it? So flex key 1 is now assigned in aux output 1, not in program bus. That's why it is called floating key or flex key.